Hi. Hola, señorita, guys. ¿Cómo estás? Sorry. So today's topic is going to be about winter time and taking care of your birds in the winter time. Because 2 of my birds died because of upper respiratory infections because there were drafts. So I'm going to help you guys so that your birds don't die, hopefully, or give you some tips. Are you fighting with my baby? My baby?
No, your baby's
You
fighting.
bite me, I don't feed you.
No, your baby's fighting with me.
Come here, baby. I mean, you listened.
Yeah. Hey, it wasn't my head at least, so that's good. Okay.
Alright, number 1 thing. Drafts. Make sure your windows are always closed and locked. Move your bird cage away from windows during the winter time, and always at night keep a cage cover on or like a thick blanket or something that'll keep your birds warm. And in the wintertime, birds, their skin gets very dry and agitated. And so they'll all like get wet and stuff in their water bowl or whatever. If you have a bath for them, they will. So yeah, hold on. The life lesson is, or moral of the story, be careful with your birds. They're more precious than you think. I love my birds so much. Also, I realized I haven't really been showing my parakeets in a lot of my videos. So, we're going to get some parakeets.
As soon as you go on my finger, you fly to her head.
Parakeets. The blue one is Sushi, and the whitish one is Nemo. Those are my parakeets.
Nemo's like a purple.
That's Dougie. I'll pick up on my
One needs to see Ducky.
Bye guys, please subscribe.